We are pleased to show you the 2020 Q5 Hybrid. The Q5 Hybrid offers the latest, most intuitive technology coupled with the most forward-looking design and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, braking assist, regenerative braking system, power brakes. Searching for a dependable vehicle that looks great too? You've found it, so stop in today.